Hello guys, I'm back again and I'm gonna teach you today how to make a game, learn to read notes and play piano. Something like Simply Piano, but like Scratch version. So let me expand it and let's press, and little monkey is animated and it says something. It says, can you play this tune? So we have a tune here on top and it can swipe like with another one. We have a little bit of help, a little bit, and then it doesn't go as help. And here we have a keyboard. I painted it. It has just one octave. And we read the notes here. So this note is B, but we also see that it's B flat. So let's find B, and then B flat is black one. This one. And then next one is A. Just A, doesn't have any flats or sharps. So let's say A. And then B flat again, and then G. So let's play it. Also we can see like half note and quarter note, quarter and half. So it means this one has to be a little bit longer and those two are short. So let's do like this. Yeah, something like this. And the keyboard can be of course bigger with bass, whatever, and those things can be swiped out, but that's a cool application. I painted everything myself. Those little notes, they can also move like in Simply Piano, and there can be levels. Up to you. You update it, you make it more complicated, but you can actually learn solfege, notes, piano, anything. So let's start. Let me see what we have here. Let's create a new file. File new. And what we need a reference. So first thing we need a reference of notes, like music sheet. And I'm going here and I prepared for myself the one. And it is Carol of the Bells, famous Ukrainian song. It was actually a folk song, but Leontovich, the guy who wrote it, people were singing, but they didn't know how to write notes. So Leontovich went into those villages and he put, he made the music of it. Okay, so we have those notes, and what else do we need? We need this little monkey. Let's go and find monkey. We go to animals, and here is our monkey. We will put it, and you see it can even be a little overlapping. That's nice. Let's put the monkey, and monkey has to move. So let's go to when green flag clicked, forever. Next costume. Let's test it. It moves too fast, so let's put a little bit of time. Wait 1 second. So not bad, yeah. Our notes, music notes, needs a little bit of help. So I will just go to its costume, zoom. We should convert it to vector. Otherwise it will be just all mixed up. Convert to vector. Then use the text tool. Let's write here, and it should be B and B little one. It means B flat. So we have a good note. We can move it out here like this. This note is B, next one is C, and it has this little B, it means it's flat, black note on the keyboard. And let's just continue. I just click and I spacebar, and this note is below is A, so let me put just capital A. Next note is B flat again, and next note is G. So it's only 7 notes, and before A is G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, that's it, 7 notes. And let's make it smaller so it will fit nicely. Something like this. I think it works good. Maybe we'll move it a little bit. This black arrow, just move it. B is here, B flat is here, A is here, B flat is here, and G is here. Yeah, it looks good to me. Like a little help. All the rest maybe no, so Kido has to read itself. We have notes and we have monkey, we need keyboard. So let's go to create or choose a sprite, and we have to paint all the keys we need. We go to paint, we use rectangular tool, and we choose the white one. Let's choose the white one. And we also need the outline, because you cannot see anything if it doesn't have outline. White on white is invisible. And let's paint a little key. Here you go. And we need also another key. Okay, let's multiply those. Just right click, duplicate. And you see I have two. I can have many of them, but I need the black ones out here, sharps and flats. So I go to little kitten. Oh, maybe I will just copy this one, duplicate. I will put it like out here, and I will make it black. So let's use the bucket tool. Let's use black. Here you go. Nice. So we have 3 notes. I can duplicate them to make, 7 octaves, whatever. So let's go to sprite 1, and I need to sign it. It's gonna be our C note. So let's take text tool. Let's click here and maybe red color too. More noticeable. Let's click and write capital C. Here you go. You can see we have to put it a little bit below. Yeah, perfect. C. And the next one, okay, so to make it the same, I will just delete this one, and I will copy this one, duplicate, and I will change the text for it. Text, click, and it will be D. Let's see. Wow, it's perfect. Because every time you will write on different keyboard, it will be there is no alignment or anything out here in Scratch or TurboWarp, so it will be really hard to make it, But if you copy, it already copies. You just change the name. So we have C, D. So we have few of those notes, and I just keep working on it. I just keep copying. I need 8 of them. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, and C again. 7 notes plus C again. Choose the letter, the note C, and let's go to its code. And code is like this. So let me show you what the code is. When green flag clicked, played note C. Oh, to play notes, you must have this music add-on, and to find it, you go out here, and here is a music, play instruments and drums. So you click and you have it. You have to pull out play note, and here is for how long. So sometimes it can be longer, you hold it, sometimes it can be shorter. So let's play note C. You see we have the same note. When sprite 1 note C is clicked, play note C. And you have to do it for every note. You just go and you do it for every note. Let's test it. Wait, C doesn't work. Oh wait, when the sprite clicked, not when green, when the sprite clicked. Let's do it. Okay, here we go. And so you understand, I got the notes, I got little character that helps, and I got notes myself. I have all of them sorted out here, and I assigned through this music add-on play note, I assigned notes to certain sprites. Let's expand. Okay, I can imagine I am a little child, and I have to learn the notes, and this note is B by itself, but it has little mark, little B, it means B flat. So I find B, and I find B flat. This one. Okay, next one is A. Next one is B flat again, and next one is G. So do like this. The specific is that notes can be longer or shorter. It can be played like or very short. So this note, the first one, is longer than short, short, and long. Right. You hear? That's a tune, and luckily it's all repeating. So that's it, guys. Don't forget to sign up. Temagiki Academy. If you want private lessons, whatever, everything is up to you. Enjoy yourself. Don't forget to subscribe.